Hi traders, Happy New Year to you. Hope you all had a great break. As it's the first week in 2011, I'm just going to go into a little bit more detail than I normally do, so let's get straight into these charts and see what's setting up. So let's look at the S&P 500 futures market, the ES. So from the highs in April of 2010, the lows of July 2010, there's the head and shoulder pattern. I talked about this stopping bar back here and the buying opportunity gap back here, back in the videos in that period. And then of course they've moved right up here to the 127 extension. We've got topping tails, divergent RSI. It does look as if in the early part of the January we will get some sort of pullback here, major resistance. Unlikely with the way in which these bars are behaving, we'll get a push through. I mean, that's not to say you can write it off, but so I'm just waiting for the open of 2011, see how these markets get going, see if we get the pullbacks, and then looking for reversal bars back down here at this area here. Now if we then put the support up here, that puts it at 2020. By the time we get down to 2020, if we get down there, this 50 EMA will come up here and could, so any reversal bars at this level will be a good opportunity to get in the market. I'll be looking for stocks at that stage. There are a few stocks that I'm interested in currently, and they are the following. I like AMX, looking to buy AMX on a pullback. Love this one. Looking to buy CHGY on a pullback. I'm in this one, pretty low volume stock. It's in the oil sector. Looking to see, I've got a relatively close stop. Looking to see if we can get at least up to 11 and 12 and possibly higher. LVS, that's on the watch list for a break above this trend line resistance. MU, looking to see if that can break out here before I buy it. And RIM, looking to see if RIM can break out of this massive trend line here. If RIM can break out here, so a little excursion up here already. If RIM can get back up here, I would look to buy this to see if we can possibly get back up to at least 75 and possibly higher. This is the dollar index. So short term, so we close down here, which is below this area here. So any pullbacks to 79 and 60 are likely to be shorted. 8 and 20 cross up here. We are firmly in a sell zone at the moment. However, on the weekly chart, I am looking to see if we can break up out of this. If we can break above 84, sorry, I think we could get up to 96 during the early part, maybe the mid part of 2011. Short term, we are in a selling territory, which is great for commodities. In oil, I'm already positioned at 89.20 on a smaller time frame, but here we are with the daily. A very nice close on Friday. I took one trade in oil at the lows. At one stage I was 220 points up, but happy to sit in this with my stop down here at 88.90, just slightly below my entry, to see if we can get back up to 95, which is the 200 EMA in the monthly chart. I like cocoa. Just going to wait for confirmation above this trend line resistance before I enter cocoa, and I also like wheat. These are the only commodities I'm happy to trade at the moment. This monthly bar is a very nice engulfing bar, it's above the 50 EMA, 8 and 20 crossover, so waiting to buy wheat on a buy and hold basis for short to medium term to see if we can get up to perhaps the 10 bucks. On the forex side, I still think the pound is struggling. It just managed to close just fractionally above the 20 EMA on the daily, but we've got a lot of work to do to get above this 157 area here. If it gets above 157, I will then look at buying a pullback and see if we can get up to 162 plus. The euro is stronger. It's closed above the 50 and the 200, but the monthly has got the 50 MA above it, so I am not getting position at this stage in the euro US. Euro pound, nice close up here in the monthly, but not trading that because it's not a clean setup. One I'm in at the moment and 450 points up at the moment is this one. Took it on a 240-minute chart and doing well. The 50 MA the swing trade setup was back there middle of last week, but just looking to see if we can get back up to 80 on that one. The other one I like is the CAD Swissy. This is a counter trend trade. Do not take this if this does not meet your trade plan criteria. I'm looking to buy a break up of 93.70 with a stop just below to see if I can get this to break up through this resistance. Aussie New Zealand is here. To me, this is the first retest of 50 MA. The first retest of 50 MA ordinarily is a fade, a bounce. I'm looking to get long above 132 to see if we can get back up to the highs and beyond on the Aussie New Zealand. And last, UK stocks for UK traders. This is HGM gold mining. I like this one here, 820 cross here. Looking to buy a pullback on HGM. Pace, looking to see, the ticker is PIC, looking to see if we can break above 190 before I go long on PIC. Coal of Africa, like this one, I want to buy a pullback to about 95. SLV, want to buy a pullback to 50. Ceramic fuels, we'll look to see that. CFU, you can get above 11.5. UK coal, looking to see if that can break above 40. And looking to get position in this one. This is MWA. That's just on my watch list, wind. Okay, that's it for now. Hope that helps. Watch out for the new brochure outlining the courses, which will be available on email, with a calendar for all you guys who want to take retakes or possibly join me on the various courses from beginners through to advanced. Any questions, email me. Otherwise, I hope you have a very good 2011, and let's get trading, everyone.